Hi everyone, welcome to the channel where we simplify everything you need to know about finances, tech, and more. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to open an account with Truist Bank, one of the most trusted bank in the US. So let's dive in. At the top right of your screen, hit on that open an account button. And here you can go ahead and select the specific account that you want to open on Truist. Truist Bank offers a variety of account options tailored to your needs, whether it's a checking account, savings account, or even specialized accounts for students or businesses. For example, I want to open a checking account. I can go ahead and select from these two options that I have in here. Hit on the open account button for the one that I have selected, and that will redirect me into this section. So in here, you'll be able to find the requirements that you need to have to be able to actually apply for a checking account on Truist Bank. Before you start, make sure you have the following ready. First would be a government issued photo ID such as driver's license or passport, your SSN number or individual taxpayer identification number, a valid email address, your mobile phone number, and a initial deposit amount. Hit on that start application button once you're ready, and here you need to answer this question if you're already a client or not. And since I am not, I'll simply select no. In this section, you need to enter your zip code, and if you have a promo code, you can simply enter that into the section as well, and hit on the continue button to continue on the next step. Fill out the form with your personal details, including your name, address, SSN or IN, and employment information. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Next, you need to upload a photo of your ID for identification. Follow the instructions to complete this step. Some accounts require an initial deposit. You can fund your account using a debit card, ACH, transfer, or another bank account. Enter the amount and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Now finally, review all the information you've entered to ensure it's correct, and once confirmed, click on the submit button. So you'll receive a confirmation email shortly after. And that is how you can simply open an account with Truist Bank. You can now download their mobile app to manage your account, set up online banking, and explore additional services. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'd be happy to help. See you in the next video.